everyone, today we will discuss the important role of the nurse as a health educator, including perspective on teaching and learning, the hallmarks of effective teaching, principles of good teaching practice, and barriers that may affect learning.
Role of the nurse as a health educator. Nurses play a vital role as a health educators. They teach patients, families, and communities about health promotion, disease prevention, treatment plans, and self-care. For example, nurses educate diabetic patients on a proper diet, medication use, and blood sugar monitoring. Through education, nurses empower individuals to make informed decisions and improve their overall health and well-being.
Perspective on teaching and learning. Teaching and learning are essential parts of nursing practice. Nurses must understand that every patient learns differently. Some learn best through visual materials, demonstrations, or simple explanations. Effective teaching should be patient-centered, respectful, and adapted to learners' age, culture, literacy level, and readiness to learn. Good communication encourages patients to participate actively in their care.
Hallmarks of effective teaching in nursing. Effective teaching in nursing involves clear communication and accurate information. Nurses should encourage participation by asking questions and using demonstration or visual aids. One important hallmark is evaluating understanding through techniques like teach back, where patients explain the information in their own words. This helps ensure learning has truly occurred.
Principles of good teaching practice. Good teaching practice in undergraduate nursing education focuses on engagement and support. Students learn better when they actively participate, receive constructive feedback, and feel respected. Nurses and educators should create a positive environment that encourages critical thinking, teamwork, and confidence. These principles help students become competent and compassionate healthcare professionals.
Barriers and obstacles to learning. Several barriers can affect education and learning. Patients may have difficulty understanding medical terms, experience stress or pain, or come from different cultural backgrounds. Limited time and lack of educational materials can also become obstacles. Nurses can address these challenges by using simple language, providing translators if needed, offering emotional supports, and adapting teaching methods to meet individual needs.
In conclusion, nurses are not only caregivers but also educators who play a major role in improving health outcomes. Through effective teaching and supportive learning strategies, nurses empower patients and students to make informed decisions and practice healthier behaviors. Thank you for listening.
What is the role of the nurse as a health educator? Nurses do more than just care for sick patients. They also teach people how to stay healthy and prevent diseases. As health educators, nurses explain important information about proper nutrition, exercise, hygiene, medications, and healthy lifestyles.
Why are teaching and learning important in nursing practice? Learning and teaching are important in nursing practice because they help nurses gain updated knowledge, improve skills, provide safe patient care, and educate patients about their health.
What are the hallmarks of effective teaching in nursing? Effective teaching in nursing begins with professional competence and strong clinical knowledge. Good interpersonal relationships help build trust and respect between teachers and students. Effective educators also show positive traits like patience, understanding, and enthusiasm. They use proper teaching and evaluation practices to improve learning. Lastly, they are available to support and guide students when needed.
What are the principles of good teaching practice in undergraduate education? The principles of good teaching practice are encouraging student-faculty contact, encouraging cooperation among students, promoting active learning, giving prompt feedback, emphasizing time on task, communicating high expectations, and respecting diverse talents and ways of learning. These principles help create an effective learning environment that supports student success and engagement.
What barriers and obstacles may affect learning and how can nurses address them? Barriers and obstacles to learning may include lack of motivation, stress, language differences, limited knowledge, and poor learning environments. These factors can make it difficult for student or patient to understand information. Nurses can address these barriers by using simple communication, showing patience, creating a supportive environment, and adjusting teaching methods based on the learner's needs.
Education is one of the most powerful tools nurses